Howdy, howdy, howdy. My name is Mike Knipple. Along with me are the rest of the members of Team 5, Megan Henley, Alexandria Meyer, Hannah Young, and Mike Sislovich. For this assignment, we chose to view and analyze Disney Pixar's animated film, Toy Story. Toy Story explores a magical world where toys come alive and lead very interesting lives when their owners aren't around. The story centers on a group of toys belonging to a boy named Andy. In the film, the toys navigate Andy's birthday, a dangerous and troubled boy living next door, and the stress of moving with a family, all while dealing with internal struggles that could face any teen. Toy Story connects many aspects of team building with real-world examples as our team of heroes works to overcome its obstacles. The film offers a look at the stages of team development, building a balanced team, communication styles, conflict management, examples of leadership, decision-making, and the 17 laws of team building. Our presentation also includes some outside research and a look at how we work together virtually to complete this assignment.